Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Saturday here, we're just kind of bumming around and have a little bit of jabba, get the blood flowing. So a couple days ago, I posted a video on my Instagram page of doing some spray welding or metalizing, whatever you want to call it, and I seemed to be getting pretty good interest on it. So, it's definitely a cool process, I think. So, in that video, I was spray welding seal journals on an output hub for a speed reducer, a gearbox unit that I'm rebuilding. And I happen to also take some video of when I did the input shaft seal journal as well. Took some video on the GoPro there. So, I thought, what the hell, I want to make a little video out of that too. There's quite a bit of content on that out there. I thought I'd contribute a little bit myself, just because it's fun more than anything. But anyway, I first seen spray welding done probably, I can't even remember. It was on A-Bomb79's YouTube channel. I know that much. Probably, I'm going to say 3 years ago now. Maybe I seen it. I'm not sure. Anyway, Adam Booth has got some really sweet videos of him doing it. Really detailed. And he seems to be really, really good at it. So anyway, I happened to come across a torch setup on Kijiji here in Canada. It's basically the same as Craigslist, I suppose. It's a Rototech. It happened to be the same as the one A-Bomb has, so I wanted to try it out, and I'm doing some research online, reading up on it, and like I said, it's the same setup he has, so naturally I just kind of gravitated towards his videos and basically just copied what he did to try it out, and everything seemed to work really well. So I watching his videos, and also on Instagram there's a Harris Machine Services out of Ontario here in Canada, and this guy, same deal. He pretty well got the same setup, same applications that I was basically doing. He's got a few videos of doing some seal journals and stuff, so I was a little bit of contact with him. Watching his videos, watching A-Bomb's videos, doing my reading up on it, and so far everything seems to be working pretty good. I think I've only done a few in the last number of days, few seal journals, and knock on wood, they all seem to have turned out quite well. So anyway, I'm like I said, I'm just farting around here. I'm gonna get this video edited up. I'm not talking on it or anything. I'm not explaining what I'm doing. So that's kind of why I'm doing a little intro here now. You see on there, just simply get the piece in the lathe, get it dialed in, mask it off, undercut it. You got to roughen up the surface to give your bonding material and whatnot something to grab onto, I'll say. So anyway, 15 thou deep fine thread cut seems to work great for me. It's exactly what A-Bomb did, and like I said, I just copied his work to try it out, and it has worked for me, so that's what I'm going with. So credit to him. You see, you preheat it, put the base coat on, and then put the top coat on to build it up. These few I've done, I've undercut them between 30 and 40 thou. Put the 15 thou deep thread in it, and then I try and build it up roughly 50 thou over what you want the finish size to be, and that's working out great so far. So anyway, it's enough aimless rambling here. A shout out to Luke, repping the old New Dublin ship fitting swag. Check him out on Instagram too. Got a couple of pages, Luke Gilbert. or new Dublin ship fittings. Local East Coast boy here down the South Shore of Nova Scotia. He does a lot of really, really cool stuff. You want to check him out. He does, like I said, it's ship fittings. It's pretty specialized stuff. He does a lot of bronze and all this crazy work for sailboats and old vessels and stuff. Really awesome stuff. He does super quality work. Super helpful. I haven't even met the guy yet, but we've been corresponding for over 2 years now over Instagram and text messaging and stuff, and super cool dude. You want to check him out, check out his work too. So anyway, so yeah, check it out. Hope you enjoy. Pow.